going, everybody? I'm here at the Pike National Forest here in Colorado at some dispersed campgrounds. This is off of Rainbow Falls Road. It's just north of Woodland Park, Colorado. Really nice place. I just came up here last night and decided I was going to do some camping. So I came up here last night, found a spot and camped out. This morning I woke up and just got itched to clean everything out. I got a cleaning bug and pulled everything, literally everything out of my van except for a few minor things that are just out of the way. And this is something basically you're going to be looking forward to. If you're in a van, cleaning day is pretty much taking everything out and, you know, scrubbing things down and wiping down, and a lot of effort to do cleaning. Shifting and moving things around inside and cleaning, it's a little hard, and things do accumulate, dirt and stuff that you drag in over time. It does happen. So I took the time today to go ahead and take everything out of my van, do some cleaning, swept it out, scrubbed it down with some disinfectant wipes, and thought I'd show you guys around while it was cleaned out before I start putting everything back in, and, you know, give you guys an idea of what it looks like inside my van without all the accumulated junk over 3 years of, you know, doing the van life. But basically, this is what it looks like inside my van without all the stuff that I've accumulated over 3 years. Just recently I did build this back shelf here. It used to be just a one solid shelf that had one shelf coming across, and I'd just have everything stacked up on that one shelf and under it. I decided to go ahead and build this just so I can put my storage bins up here, have easy access to, you know, pull one at a time if I need to pull it down or get into it, plus my drawers for the clothes and stuff like that. Easy access, that's what it's all about. This is a sturdy build. It's not going anywhere. That is solid. The first two things that I actually built in this van was my shelves for the food and the slide out couch bed that I'm sitting on right now. All right, so that is the shelf that I did build into here when I got this van 2.5 years ago. And then that's kind of a better view of the shelves that I built in there. Very solid, not going anywhere. They're not going to shift. And like I said, a lot of that is just clothes and tools and camping gear and a little bit of cleaning stuff. I've always said that I had a pull out couch bed, a slat build. It was just kind of a slap job, and I used 1x1/2 inch pine wood to build it, which was a huge mistake when I did build this. So I do plan on rebuilding it. The thing has pretty much literally just fallen apart all over the place, so I don't really pull it out much. I will pull it out, you know, another 6 inches, just so I have, you know, like a 36-inch bed when I am in here sleeping. And typically I'll keep it out to where there's at least a foot of space between here and the bed. Also underneath I had all the places that I can put a bunch of storage bin, keep my water, and, you know, some other stuff that I do keep. Coming around to the back side, that's another view of the shelves that I had built in there, and that was another slab job. None of this stuff I planned when I build it. I just kind of throw it together, and just whatever happens happens. Wherever the tools fall, wherever the material falls, that's where I nail it down. Anyway, so I did say I have a lot of stuff. That's a lot of stuff. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and show you just a little bit around my camp. It's actually a really nice, peaceful area that I chose this time around, that I'm going to stay here tonight. So this down here is Rainbow Falls Road. I'm not sure what mountain that is over there. I'm just south of Woodland Park, Colorado. So I don't know which mountain that is off in the distance. Really pretty view, a little bit of snow up top. But this is Rainbow Falls Road that I came down. Going off that way is towards the lake. I think around the bend, about half a mile, you can kind of see down where there's some buildings and outhouse and stuff like that. So I think maybe there might be a fee to get in. But another mountain off in the distance. Really beautiful area, real peaceful. there is a pond or lake or creek or something that runs through here. Over there you can see there is kind of this line right there. It looks like a little light lake over there, and there's some large white birds that have been flying in. Too far for me to see. I'm not really sure what they are. But you know, that's pretty much the wildlife I've seen out here. I saw a chipmunk running away, and you can hear those cicadas or whatever the hell that is off in the distance. So this place is like Rampart Range. Out there you're going to have a lot of ATV activity, dirt bikes, things like that. It does get a little noisy with people running, you know, up and down this road here. I've seen a lot of traffic since I've been here yesterday, Thursday, and you know, it's to be expected in these places where, you know, you're allowed to bring out your gear and stuff like that. But there is a lot of traffic that comes in and out. As you can see, we got a truck coming down right now. Pretty loud, but still, I mean, between traffic and people, it's actually a really peaceful place. But I'm gonna go ahead and start packing things back in, get things a little bit better organized, and you know, I just wanted to put it together to show you guys that, you know, this is to be expected when you're out of a van full time. You got to get some cleaning done. Pretty much requires pulling everything out. I mean, you can shift and move things all over the place, but it's such a hassle. It's better just to get it out of there and sweep it out, or vacuum. That's something I want to invest in, is either a vacuum or one of those, like those construction blowers, not a backpack blower, but just a hand blower, something small that I can just, you know, empty everything out and just do a quick dusting of the entire thing by blowing it out. That would be kind of cool. That's something I've actually thought about for a long time now. But yep, I'm gonna get to packing things in, and we will talk later.